Hi there, lovelies. I'm using, let's see if that's in there. Yeah, I'm using ultramarine blue, black, burnt sienna, burnt umber, cream, and a very pale yellow that I've mixed. So I'm going to cover the card in my usual smoky blue. I always do that to start off with. So I just use a little bit of black, a lot of cream, and some cerulean. Not cerulean, ultramarine. Let me cover the whole canvas. Right, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to determine where my beach is going to be. And let me get some gloves on as well. Just put it in randomly like this. Now what I suggest you do is you mix your colour before you experiment mixing your colours, because sand is quite hard to get right, to be honest. Let's see, yeah. Or shall we put some cliffs? Let's put some cliffs here. We can go over with other colours as well. Now, the paintings are built up with layers on layers, so that's not just, you don't just paint a brown and that's it. Hi there, lovelies. Let me take just a couple of minutes of your time to introduce you to the new easel that I've got. It's made by KraftGeek, and if you'd like to have a look at the easel, you can find the details in my description, and if you quote the code Cottage Art, you can get a 15% discount. So maybe you'd like to just have a look at that, particularly if you paint outdoors plein air. Now, what we'll do is we'll go over that with some pink again. Let's do a pointy rock. There, like that. Right, the sky's going to be quite light, so there, see. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there yet. It'll just give me a more dramatic effect, I think. Right, let's have a look. I'm just going to put it at the top as well. Just going to put it right at the top there. Yeah. So I've just mixed some cerulean and some black, and I've also not washed my wiped my brush very much. Right, now let's try that. Just put some bits and bobs in there as well. Just drag it. I've just got a bit of residue paint on there. Just drag it around. Do that. Right, we can go over that sea again. Right, let's see what's happening here now. Right, I'm now going to put a few colours into the sky. I'll leave this for a bit. So I'll just put some various shades into the sky. There. Like this, and then I'm going in with some cream. Just whack those in there. That's the end of the demonstration. Hope you enjoyed it, and it would be lovely if you would like to subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. The channel can be also supported by pressing the thanks button. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.